Click on the link below to get price. The dehumidifier for 4,000 cubic feet is a remarkable appliance that effectively addresses moisture issues in various living spaces. Its compact and portable design makes it an excellent addition to any home, particularly in bedrooms, basements, or laundry rooms. The unit's sleek appearance allows it to blend seamlessly with existing decor, ensuring it doesn't stand out or detract from the aesthetics of a room. One of the standout features of this dehumidifier is its quiet operation. Unlike traditional models that can be noisy, this unit operates with minimal sound, which is essential for creating a peaceful environment, especially during sleep. The low noise level allows you to run it overnight without disturbances, making it suitable for bedrooms where tranquility is paramount. Equipped with an efficient dehumidifying capacity, this dehumidifier can effectively handle spaces up to 4,000 cubic feet, making it suitable for medium-sized rooms. It efficiently reduces humidity levels, helping to prevent mold growth and musty odors, which can be a significant concern in humid climates. The continuous drainage option adds convenience, allowing you to run the unit without worrying about emptying a tank frequently. User-friendly controls make operating this dehumidifier a breeze. The intuitive interface allows you to adjust settings easily, ensuring you can customize humidity levels according to your comfort. Additionally, the energy-efficient design means it won't significantly raise your electricity bill, which is a crucial consideration for eco-conscious consumers. The compact size and portability of this dehumidifier mean it can be moved from room to room with ease. Whether you need it in the living room during the day or the bedroom at night, it adapts to your needs without hassle. Overall, this dehumidifier for 4,000 cubic feet is an excellent investment for anyone seeking to improve indoor air quality and comfort. Its quiet operation, efficient performance, and user-friendly features make it a top choice for moisture control in any home environment.